Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be going over how to make a logo in under 15 minutes. So here is the apps that I typically tend to use when making logos or videos. So I just went ahead and opened up Fonto and I clicked on plain images and I chose the black image. You're going to want to, well, I usually keep it in the same dimension and then just press use and add text. So the brand name that we're thinking of right now or playing with having in our little series is Cutie Collection. So I'm choosing a specific font. I didn't technically like the one I used, so I tried the Winter Fly, I believe it's called, font, and I think that's the one that I went with, just because I liked it more than the other ones that I chose. So once you choose your font, I save the image after that, and then I continue typing the rest of the logo, like name, that'll be used. I do it separately just because I know I'm gonna put like different colors and stuff on it. So here now I'm doing the collection part, and I didn't like the font. I was wanting something more bolder, so I went to some of the plain bolder fonts just to make it stand out more. And I believe I ended up choosing Resulti or Result, whatever it's called. And after that, I saved the image again. And then I also went in to put our business name for this series slogan, which I said it is, I believe, all girls, all of a girl's hair needs or something like that. And I chose a different font for that and saved that one as well. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying an overlay for the text just to give it a little more pop. And I do use PixArt for that. So once you open PixArt, you just want to click on that plus sign in the middle of the page and then choose the image or word that you want to first apply a layer to, which I started off with Cutie. And I kind of figured that I wanted it to be like a really pink metallic color. And I chose that one and then just stretched it out over it. And then you're going to go down to the bottom and click on blend and then darken to get it the way that it's looking now. And I'm just playing around with it as far as just to see how I want it. I did get all of my backgrounds off of um, Google, and I also used the We Hearted app, which I showed you guys in the beginning. Now I'm going to be okay, and when you're done with that, you just want to click on back and then it'll ask you to cancel it and then choose the next selected picture. The app that I'm using again is the background eraser. It's free and it's in the App Store. All you really have to do is just click on it and then just erase the background and download the image and just do that to the rest of your videos. If there like needs to be any additional like erasing, I'm going to show you guys how to get more defined. All you have to do is click on the little eraser button at the bottom and you are able to change like the size of it, like I'm going to be showing you right now, just because sometimes it won't take away the full background. I'm not sure why it does that, but yeah. So you're going to want to just click on that little eraser button and change the size of the pencil eraser if you want. Right here, I'm just trying to make sure that the full background is erased by clicking on that little square button in the bottom corner. It changed the backgrounds to different shades so you can actually see what it would look like on other backgrounds. So right now I am using Canva. That's what I use really to put the rest of logo, like my logos fully together. And right now I'm just going to click on that little plus sign and change the background color to black, just because I know that this logo will be used as like transparent, and that's how it usually shows up in PNG transparent. So now I'm clicking on that plus button and choosing images and uploading like all of the words for my logo. And then I'm just placing them and trying to use the forward backward button in the upper right hand corner just to see exactly how I want to actually position the logo. So right now, again, I'm just positioning everything just to try it out in a few different types of styles just to see if I like it. I didn't like this one as much, so I'm going to move cutie up and then try to make the slogan in the middle. And what you guys will see how I do it. And I was just right here playing around with the different types of effect that Canva has. If you guys don't have this, I usually use Canva for literally everything. So I do recommend that you guys download it. It's free, but I do have the paid version. I believe, I can't remember how much it is a month, but it does come with like additional fonts that I tend to use. But yeah, so I actually ended up really liking this one here, and I ended up saying like it was missing something. So you will see me go ahead and click on that plus sign and go to images to find a diamond that I had used on a previous logo for someone else. And I ended up using a couple of diamonds just to try to, I guess, make it look a little snazzy, I guess. And guys, please don't mind my voice. I do have a little cold. I'm not sure if it's actually a cold or if my allergies are just acting up. But yeah, my nose is a little stuffy and I'm talking weird. So please, I do apologize for that. But right now, I'm just resizing them, just trying to make the logo look exactly how I want it to and how I'm picturing it in my head. Guys, it's really simple. Please continue to support me by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and leaving a comment down in the comment section below. I would definitely appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.